Yeah, we have been using this AHAWILL pool string light here in the pool yesterday while we had a romantic dinner at the patio here. It was absolutely amazing. It was super easy to set up. I just put it here in the pool in just a couple of minutes. But of course, you can also do permanent installation with the stuff which you get here inside, like the screws and anchors, or as an alternate solution, the glue. It has been absolutely amazing, super beautiful, this AHAWILL pool string light, which I got from the seller to show you. We get this really solid IP68 waterproof string with beautiful 16 shell lights, which are absolutely amazing and also really bright because it has been perfectly illuminating this large 14,000 gallon saltwater pool in the night, and not only with a steady light, but we have been using the remote control to do some basic color changes and also tested it with the free app, which provided many more options. I think, especially with these dynamic presets here, which you have a ton of them. I think I've counted in total way more than 100 beautiful dynamic presets. But of course, you can also do your own setting or even use the music controlled mode where it's responding to the music which you are playing. This is absolutely amazing. And again, it's really strong, beautiful colors. Has been illuminating the pool easily, fully here. Almost as strong as with the original pool light, but of course much more beautiful because of these millions of possible color combinations. Comes of course also with the power supply and the receiver and a very long cable of already about 15 feet till the first shell light. So you don't have to have the 100 volts outlet directly at the pool. That's super helpful. Yeah, it's an amazing set, really easy to use, easy to set up, and easy to use, and then you can enjoy a huge upgraded atmosphere, no matter if it's for a romantic evening, pool party, or just all year round, to have a super beautiful illumination of your pool. Definitely full recommendation from my side. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.